Hello and welcome to Nuola Cooks. My name is Wonola. If it's your first time on my channel, please hit that subscribe button and put on the bell notification for more recipes every week. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and share this video with your family and friends or anyone who might need this recipe. On today's video, I will show you how to make this yummy and moist banana bread. If you're interested, please keep watching. For this recipe, you need very ripe bananas. The riper, the sweeter, and the better for this recipe. So you need to just peel and mash the bananas with a fork or a potato masher. In another bowl, you need to add some melted butter, add some brown sugar to it, and add Greek yogurt or unsweetened yogurt to it. You also need to add vanilla flavor if you want, and 1 egg to it. You need to just give all of that a smooth whisk and add your mashed bananas. A list of all the ingredients used for this recipe is also in the description box right below. To my 1.5 cups of flour, I added a pinch of salt and 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and I'm going to give that a smooth mix and add it to my wet ingredients. That's the banana and the other ingredients that I mixed earlier, and I'm going to just mix that lightly until it is well combined and get ready for the peanut aspect. I'm using half of these peanuts. This is 200 grams of peanuts, and I'm going to pound it lightly in a freezer bag with a rolling pin. Next, I'm going to add half of the peanuts to my mixture and combine that lightly. Next, I'm going to put some oil in my baking ware and spread it all over to avoid the bread from sticking to it. Now I'm going to put the butter in the baking ware and sprinkle the remaining peanuts on top of the butter. My oven has been preheated at 180 degrees Celsius, and I'm going to put the butter right there and bake for 50 minutes. The banana bread is ready now and it looks so nice. So you need to wait for this banana bread to cool off before removing it from your baking pan. That's actually the most difficult part for me. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that you like it. Please give this video a thumbs up, share this video, comment, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.